Hi and welcome to Versa Cloud ERP. In today's video, we will guide the users on how to create a product and assign a supplier to the product, add minimum quantity for reordering, and add inventory. To begin adding products, select Products from the main menu and then click on New Products. This will open the page for the user to add the details for a new product. On the Create New Product page, first, the user needs to fill in the part number. This will be the product identification that a business uses internally. Then, proceed to fill the stocking description, which will be a brief product description. Following this, the customer can select the unit of measure for the product from the drop-down and select the inventory GL account the product will be recorded under. In this example, we will be recording this product under inventory of goods for sale. Versa also enables users to create custom fields on the product page to include any additional information that is specific to their business. Once the stocking description is filled, the user can proceed to fill the trading description, which is what the product is traded as on e-commerce platform or B2B sites. Similar to the stocking description, user can add a product number, description, and in addition to this, add a product category under which the product will be sold. In this example, we will be putting this product under the custom category. In addition to this, users can also add a long description, which is typically what a consumer can see on the website as product details. Once all the details are filled out, the user can hit Create Product, and this will create a new product in the system. The product page in Versa is a one-stop shop for the users to see all functions related to a product. The Inventory tab shows the total inventory available under each facility and the quantity allocated to a sales order, quantity available on a purchase order, average cost, and the total value. The next tab, Reorder Point, is where a user can set reorder points for an inventory. This would mean that when the quantity on hand will hit that threshold, the product will be included in the PO planner. User can add the minimum quantity of the product, the review period, which is the frequency in which the business reviews inventory levels. Once the user has filled all the details in, they can hit Submit. Next, users can also add approved suppliers for the product. In this, the user can select the supplier from the list of drop-down. Add a specific supplier number if that is what the operation requires. Add a minimum quantity and the purchase price. The user can also select this supplier as a primary supplier and hit Create. Users can also set up conversion factors in the next tab. The conversion factors are generally set up when the user purchases a product in a certain unit of measure and sells it in a different unit of measure. For example, if you buy a box of beverages in packs and sell them in eaches. Versa also enables users to set import tariffs for imported goods. Now that the product is all set up, let's go ahead and add some inventory. For this, the user needs to go to Products, Inventory Tools, and select New Adjustment. They will simply search for the product under the product text box, select the product, add the desired quantity, and select a reason for the adjustment. In this case, we will be using the reason opening entry. Now, let's go back to the product page and search for the product that we just created. Under the inventory tab, now you can see for the facility WHS, there is 75 units of inventory added in the system. Now, let's do an advanced inventory adjustment. From the products menu, click on New Adjustment. Once the user is on the New Adjustment screen, the user can click on Advanced Adjustment. In the Advanced Inventory Adjustment page, search the part number you want to adjust. Select the unit of measure, and you will be able to see the simple inventory adjustment bucket that we just did. To edit this bucket, the user can click on the pencil icon, and the user can then proceed to adjust the quantity or update the price. Here, we will be updating the price of the bucket. Once done, the user can click on Post Adjustment. Now let's go ahead and do another adjustment. Search for the product, update the unit of measure. You will be able to see here that the bucket we just adjusted now shows a current value. To begin the adjustment, click on New Inventory. Here, we will be adjusting for new quantity. So you can go ahead and update a quantity, add a per unit value for the quantity, and here we will be selecting the reason bulk adjustment. You can go on ahead and post the adjustment. Once the adjustment is posted, we can search for the product again, update the unit of measure, and here you will be able to see that the product now has two FIFO buckets, each with their own per unit value. Let's now go to the product menu and click on View All Products. Search for the product and click on the product name. Once you're on the product page, let's go to the Inventory tab. And here the user will be able to see that the on-hand quantity available for the product is 175 units. And the total value of the product is a summation of the total value of both the buckets that we saw on the inventory adjustment page. And with this, the user has added a new product to the system.